Thanks for checking out my video. I went racing this past weekend with my buddy. It was nothing professional by any means, more of a redneck field race. I raced my SSR 125 and recorded it with my GoPro Hero 9. I'm blown away by the built-in stabilization on this camera. I'll definitely be recording a lot more with it in the future. I'm not the best at riding dirt bikes, but I hope you enjoy the video of me riding. Also, at the end of it, I threw in like 2 clips. There was like a longest jump competition. So anyways, thanks for clicking on my video and hope you enjoy it.